everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I'm so excited to partner with Clover to bring you another fun project. So today we're going to be using Clover's quick yo-yo maker to make this adorable fabric floral bouquet. So today we used the small, the large, and the extra large to achieve this look. And the beauty with this project is that you only need a couple of things. A little bit of fabric, the quick yo-yo maker, some needle, thread, and some scissors, and you're ready to go. So if you want to see the very simple way to make your own, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to start playing with some of Clover's products to make your own crafting projects, sewing projects, quilting projects, whatever your heart desires. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, please visit my blog at countrypeony.com, and also feel free to follow me on social media at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.